When I mean I'm here for you, I mean I'm here for you. Even if I know I'm broke. When you smell good, good things come to you. Guys, if today's the first time you're coming to my channel, like today's the first time you're seeing this beautiful girl in your screen, like what have you been waiting for? Like, why haven't you looked for me ever since? All right, you're welcome to my channel, guys. And to my old subscribers, like, you guys are really the best. Like, you guys, I really don't know how to express myself, but you already know your baby girl loves you. Like, I really love you guys. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing some topics with me, even if I know I haven't shot most of the suggestions you guys gave to me. But trust me, your girl is on it. Like, I'm on it. I'm on it. All right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing some nice tips with you guys on how to look expensive, bougie. You already know these tips actually, it has nothing to do with you being financially okay, financially stable, or either ways. Okay, it's just for you to know how to package yourself. And everything about this life is packaging, now, and I'm here for you. When I mean I'm here for you, I mean I'm here for you. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 7 tips on how to look expensive. These are literally my own opinion, and I'm speaking from experience. Trust me, these tips will really help you. It has been helping me for a very long time. Like, I just thought to myself, okay, it's not going to be bad if I can share these tips with you guys. And trust me, these tips goes a long way. Like, it applies to everywhere and everything you want to do. I don't just talk. Like, I talk and do. Like, I've been doing these tips. Like, I've been using these tips, and it has been like a life guide for me. That rich auntie vibe, yeah, it's just what I do, literally, to make me look expensive, to make me look rich, even if I know I'm broke. So guys, my first tip is going to be makeup. Makeup is one thing that I'm very sure will make you look expensive. Like, you just have to apply something on the face to make that beauty popping, beauty popping. So makeup, I'm not talking about the excess makeup, like the bronzer queen type of makeup. Nah. Trust me, less is more. Like, less is more. Look at what I'm having on my face. What do you guys think? Like, less is more makeup is a A1 game for me. Even lipstick, what's it called? Lip gloss. Lip gloss also goes. Just apply lip gloss and powder. My sister, you're good to go. It just makes you look beautiful, classy, bougie, expensive. It just make you look expensive. Like, there's this look that is attached to this natural kind of makeup. When I see any girl with a natural makeup, like, I kind of like give her a pass. Like, yeah, she looks expensive. Like, that's my own opinion. I don't know about you, but that's what I feel. Because so much makeup is not just it for me. Like, and then you expect me to think you're expensive? No, baby, no. That's not it for me. So the next one is going to be nails, like manicure and pedicure. I know some of you guys don't really like doing manicure and pedicure, but trust me, you really need it. Is for you to look expensive, for you to look that expensive, like, for you to look that classy. Nails is something that you just really need. When I say lady having a chopped nails, it's just like you don't really care about yourself, sis. Like, honestly, it's just like you don't care about yourself. Because if you really do, if you really want to look that expensive, you want those brothers to be like, oh my lord, so such a beaut. Oh, you said so. My sister, you don't need those chopped nails. You need to have a very nice nails. Like, look at what I'm wearing. Like, you really need nails, sis. And it's not really necessarily has to be a very long nails. You can do those short nails. You can even wear your natural nails, but just add little polish, maybe the transparent or colored, but not chopped nails, sis. Not chopped nails, like, not this kind of nails, but this kind of nails. The next one is going to be jewelries. Guys, jewelries and accessories is one thing I've been neglecting for a very long time, but recently I've been investing a lot in accessories, and trust me, baby, I'm good to go. Like, can you see? Recently I found out that jewelries are another essential part of looking expensive. Like, it just make you stand out also, but not so much, not the one that you wear wristband, kidney bead, not those type. Like, accessories, like jewelries, In fact, jewelries on its own is just a vibe. Like, it's a positive vibe. Trust me, if any guy, like if I were to be a guy and I see a girl with jewelries, like nice set of jewelries, baby, you're fine. No, I like you. You already know. So yeah, that's it for jewelries. Like jewelry, lace, earring, a pair of wristwatch, and some nice bracelets and all of that. And some people do like rings. I personally don't really like rings, but ring is also one of those things like make you stand out, but not too much of rings. My sister, not so much. Not the one that you will now wear, all those big kind of rings that you will now wear, five fingers. You will now wear the sister, kilo day is too much. Not those kind of ones that I'm talking about. Or jewelry, I'm talking about the ones that you will wear, those sets, 4 fingers or thereabout. Like you just arrange it. This one I'm talking about, like this one is a set. Like it comes in set, and when you wear it, it just make your hand look popping. And yeah, so that is it for jewelries and accessories. So the next one is going to be clothes. Yeah, clothing is also, in fact, this is the most essential part of this looking expensive. Like clothing, a lot of people don't know what to wear. In fact, every time I don't know what to wear. See this monochrome outfits. Like monochrome outfits are just, they are just one of the best. Like they stand out anywhere. Like you can just wear this monochrome outfit and you just look good. Like the jackets, the any type of monochrome, in as much as monochrome, trust me, the monochrome is a go for me. Like it's the A1 game for looking expensive. Like monochrome dressing is just one of it. And you know, this porch dress also one of it for me. Like it makes it look expensive. And also brighter colors, that are also A1 game for me. Like all those colors that you know can get dirty easily, like cream, white, sky blue, light pink, baby pink. Yeah, they are go for me. And yeah, so that's so the next one we're going to be talking about is your hairstyle. Guys, hair also have an essential part to play in this looking good. Trust me guys, when I say hair is one of the key. Like to me, you might not even wear anything expensive. Like you might not even wear anything expensive. You might wear a normal polo, jeans, sneakers, slippers. But when you see this hair, this thing called hair, it's just my freak. Like hair freaks me a lot. I love girls that wear hairs. Like like there's just this vibe I get with ladies wearing classic hair. It's just a game for me. Like I said, all I've been saying since are just my opinions, and I made a little research, and I just think that these tips goes anywhere. And yeah, trust me, when I say they go anywhere, they do go everywhere. So when I'm talking about hair, like hair is just one of those essentials like you don't want to play with. Though I don't really like braiding my hair, I'm more of a wig person, but that does not mean braiding of hair it's bad. No, it's not bad. I'm not going against braiding or Ghana weaving or any kind of hair you want to do. But you see, there's this vibe of wig, like weave-ons. Like there's this vibe they give, man. You don't really want to mess with this thing called wig. Like braided kind of hair, they actually go, but not on all outfits. But you see this wig, hey, oh god, I don't know how to describe it. Like I don't know how to describe my fave. Like I don't know how to describe this particular category for you. In fact, don't even wear anything. My sister, wear wig, you're good to go. Like A1 for me. An A game is an A game for me. So the next one I'm going to be talking about, I think it's up to 7. I talk about makeup, I talk about nails, manicure, pedicure, I talk about jewelries, accessories. Okay, that's okay. I talk about clothes as well. So now I'm just going to be adding a little tips for you guys. Smile is one of the things that makes you look classy. Like you cannot be wearing so much expensive, like expensive hair, expensive jewelries, very nice monochrome dress, a very nice pair of shoes, and you're squeezing your face. Like, okay, imagine now you come into my channel and I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Will you stay? You will not stay, because you'll be like, what the f is wrong with this girl? Like But you see, smile is just an extra thing. Just smile always. You know those kind of smile, like, you know those kind of sexy smile now, like when you're with your hair, your monochrome dress, your nice jewelry, nice necklace, nice nails, with your beautiful hair. Oh my gosh.
Give me some.
And then you give them this kind of sexy smile. At some point, you can just be like a beauty queen. Start waving your hands. You know, it's an addition now. Like, it's a plus. You look expensive with smile. Like, smile always. Learn to smile. Any kind of person before, like, I frown a lot for no reason. Even till now, sometimes I just like, but I just like, why am I frowning? Like, come off it, girl. Like, come off it. Smile, Joe. You're beautiful. What's so wiggy? Shade this. I got smile, Joe. Then I just start smiling, and trust me, I get a lot of compliment that, baby, so like, you're good. Like, my faculty, like, another one, like, I forgot. Like, I think I'm going to add this to the clothes. Here is your bag and your shoes. Color blocking is just one of my things. Like, I love color blocking a lot. I can carry a red handbag, a blue shoe, like, you know, those kind of match kind of colors. Yeah, it goes for me. You might want to try it as well. It also makes you look expensive. In fact, it goes, like, it's an A game for me. So you can also apply it for yourself if you want to. Shoe and bag is also an additional to your looking expensive. You don't want to look expensive and then you are wearing one kind of palazzo slippers and you're carrying Fendi handbag. No, it's a no for me. So like I said from the beginning of this video, these are my opinion. Like, they are literally my own opinion, but I think and I know, like, they add extra. They literally go anywhere. So I can just say these are the general tips on how to look expensive. Guys, there is another one I forgot to mention. Hygiene. You see, there's this vibe that comes with people that smells good. Aside even wearing anything, hygiene, be hygienic, being hygienic. Like, hygienic people, forget it. They are the hairs of the ASA1 kind of people. What am I saying? Like, they are the highest. Looking expensive, if you don't smell good and you're wearing all those tips I've mentioned, guys, is zero. It's zero for you. Like, you are still broke to me. Like, you are still hygiene is one thing for me, but smelling good is an A1 for me. Like, it's even for everybody, because you're not only adding value to yourself, you're adding value to the society. Imagine you going to a location and then there's those smells that comes out of your body after you're wearing your very beautiful hair, whichever dress you're wearing, and then you are smelling. My sister, my brother, like, it's a no for me and for every other person. Like, it's a no. Like, nobody loves smelling people. Invest in good smell. You don't have to spend too much. There's some less amounts of perfume you can get. You don't have to spend too much before smelling good. Trust me, your soap, the soap you use, your body cream, your hair cream, your perfume, your roll-ons, they go a long way. And roll-on is very, very essential. You don't even have to use perfume, but you see, roll-on, very important. Don't look expensive without adding that to your list. Like, hygiene is A1. Like, when you smell good, it's a pass mark. I don't know how else to explain it. Like, you're good to go. Like, forget it, girl. You look expensive. Like, come on. You look good. When you smell good, you look good. Even if you're wearing what is not classy, Once you smell good, you look good to me. Oh, I don't care what you've been wearing. In fact, once you smell good, you look good to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed shooting this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed myself shooting this video, because this tips is an A1 game for me. Trust me when I say you will go and come back to thank me later. I really mean it. Like, so thank you guys for watching this video. Like, I hope to see you on my next one. Like, I can't wait. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I'm begging you, comment down below. Like, let me know you are down there. Let me know you are feeling me just like I'm feeling you guys. Like, get me? You get my point? You get my point? So that will be all for today. I would love to see you guys on my next one. Bye. Give me some.